Hi everyone, welcome back to Drone Novice. Today we're going to add the finishing touches to our quad. By the end of this video we should be ready to plug our drone into betaflight, which is the software we use for drones, bind it to the transmitter, and be ready to fly, which we will do next video. So right now you can see there's two wires, a yellow wire and a white wire, that are dangling loosely from our receiver since we're not using them right now. So what we can do is just take some electrical tape and just cover them in electrical tape so they don't accidentally touch anything important and short anything. So we can take electrical tape and just wrap it there, making sure to cover the top since that's where the wire is exposed. If you want for added security, you could just tape it to the zip tie or anything, so just secure it so the propellers don't accidentally chop it off. So now that we're done with that, we can zip tie our LEDs here on the four arms to the frame to make sure that the LEDs don't get chopped out by the propellers. So you just have to take the zip tie and just do it like that, and you can do it anywhere on the LED, but it doesn't really matter as long as you put it pretty tight. And repeat it for the other three arms. And now since we're done with our zip ties, we can put our top plate of a frame on to quad. So you can just remember to take the 2mm hex driver and orient it so that the sunken screw holes are at the back of the quad. And remember that they're sunken because the battery needs to go there so they won't damage the battery. Before we add our battery, we have to make sure to add something for the battery to stick onto. So we will add first our battery strap, and then we're gonna add some grip, which is a grippy substance for a battery so it doesn't fly out. So make sure to loop your battery strap in either or one of the two back holes. So you can go like that, and just for now you can keep it loose. And then now we can add the grip, which is this black pad here, and it's a little too big, so we can cut it to size first before we stick it on. And just stick it on pretty much anywhere, but mainly where the battery will be. So this seems like a good place, so you just can keep it there. And now we have our battery over here. It's this white 1300 milliamp hour 4S battery. You should probably use a 4S battery for this quad since our ESC is only at 45 amps, and a 1300 milliamp hour or 1500 milliamp hour battery would be best suited since they're pretty lightweight. Now we can just add our battery to the quad, and you can just see it'll sit like that with our XT60 facing to the back, since that's where our regular battery is. And we won't plug it in right now, but we just need to make sure that our our soldering has no like short circuits. So here you can see this is called a smoke stopper, and it lights up when you plug the battery in, and it'll turn off the light if there's a short circuit, so you can just make sure that you didn't bridge two pads accidentally or anything like that. So here you can just connect it, and if everything's good, you can see that you will see that there's still a light, and there'll be some sounds coming out. So here. So the light is still there, everything seems fine, no smoke. So our soldering is all clean, and our battery is ready to go. So we don't need the smoke stopper anymore. So thanks for watching this video, and we hope to see you next video, where we will bind our transmitter to our receiver and connect our quad to betaflight and be ready to fly for the video after that. Thanks, and have a great day.